What's up, guys? This is Mike Dean with First Step Travelers. I'm here in Noosa Heads, just north of the Sunshine Coast on the east side of Australia, and I am in my hostel. And that is what I want to talk to you guys about today. Hostels. If you don't know what a hostel is, I've spoke about it in previous episodes. Basically, it's just you rent a bed in a room with other travelers and you have shared bathroom and accommodation. Hostels offer a lot of advantages, and we can go over the disadvantages real quick since a few of them are obvious. Lack of privacy, noisy roommates, shared bathroom if some people have problems with that. But what I want to focus on is the advantages. Now, I'm traveling by myself right now, and a major advantage for me is the fact that I get to meet new people who are basically in the same situation I am. You don't meet a lot of new people when you're just sitting in a hotel room, but in a hostel you're forced to interact with new people from all over the world and possibly find new travel mates. I've stayed in a hostel in Sydney and I hung out with people from the hostel the whole time. We all are kind of in the same boat, so everyone gets along really well and you meet some great people. Another advantage is information. I don't really know much about this place, but just talking to the receptionist, just talking to people who have been here for a little bit longer than I have, you get a lot of good information out of staying in a hostel. The last thing I want to talk about is hostels are cheap. They're usually half the price of a hotel. More often than not, they're more convenient, just for the first two advantages that I spoke about. Like I said, you do have things to worry about in a hostel: security, your personal items, your passport, your wallet. But a good hostel will have lockers, sharing a bathroom, but a good hostel will have clean bathrooms and flatmates, noisy flatmates, rude flatmates. Really can't do anything, there's no controlling that, but you can always switch rooms. I am in Flash Packers Noosa, and it is a great hostel. They have great kitchen, entertainment, they do events every single night. So this is a really good hostel. I highly recommend it. You're traveling, you want to save a little money, staying at hostels is a great idea because you get good information, you save some money, and you meet great people. So don't dismiss staying at hostels and spending extra on hotels. If you guys have any more questions, anything you want to know about my trips or about traveling in general, just like and subscribe, leave comments below, ask questions, and we'll see you next time.